Hi everyone, I am Ms. Macedo. Welcome to our lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about problem and solution. Are you ready? Let's get started. Problem and solution are both elements of a story. Before we move on, let's take a look at story elements. Story elements are the pieces or ingredients that, when put together, make up a narrative story. Identifying and remembering story elements will help you understand a story better. Story elements include characters, setting, problem, solution. Characters: people, animals in the story. Setting: when, where the story takes place. Problem: the conflict or main problem that the characters have. Solution: how the problem is solved. In this lesson, we are going to focus on problem and solution. Let's start by taking a look at problem. Problem: something in the story that goes wrong. Problem: the problem is an issue that needs to be solved in the story. It usually stands in the way of the main character's happiness. Problem: what needs to be fixed? What's going wrong? What does one of the characters want to do? Wanted to, but. An example of a problem in a story. The main problem throughout the Harry Potter series is Harry's battle against the evil wizard, Lord Voldemort, who not only murdered Harry's parents when he was an infant, but also wants to take over the wizarding world. This is an example of problem in a story. Now, let's take a look at solution. Solution: how the problem in the story gets fixed. How the problem is solved or fixed in the story. The solution is when the problem gets fixed or solved in some way. Usually it allows the main character to be happy again. Example: in Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, the solution is when Harry defeats Voldemort and keeps him from getting the Sorcerer's Stone, which would have offered him immortality. Now, it is your turn to see if you learned problem and solution. Let's take a look. I am going to read this activity, and after you are going to pause this video and do it. Okay? So let me read it. Which answer represents the problem in the Harry Potter series? A. Harry battles against the evil wizard, Lord Voldemort. B. Harry defeats Voldemort and keeps him from getting the Sorcerer's Stone, which would have offered him immortality. Which one here represents the problem? Remember, problem is something that needs to be solved in the story. Which one here needs to be solved? A or B? Pause this video, read it again, and point to the correct answer. Now, we're looking at, they are the same choices, but the different question. Which answer represents the solution in the Harry Potter series? A. Harry's battle against the evil wizard, Lord Voldemort. B. Harry defeats Voldemort and keeps him from getting the Sorcerer's Stone, which would have offered him immortality. Which one here, A or B, is the solution to Harry's problems? Remember, the solution is when a problem is fixed in the story. Pause this video and choose the correct answer. Remember, today we learned about problem and solution. Problem is when something in the story goes wrong, something that needs to be fixed in the story. And solution is how the problem in the story gets fixed. Thanks for watching this video.